Alright, what is up my tech shop? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix an LCD problem for Oppo A94. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have comments, just put it in the comment section. So let's get started. Basically, the problem for this phone is that it's not displaying anything on the screen. So there's no display on the screen. However, when I have to attach the charger, it vibrates. So meaning the phone is working, but the display is not working. So we'll need to replace a new LCD for this cell phone Oppo A94. Tools that I'm using for this repair is listed on the description, so you might want to check it if you're interested in doing it yourself. So you can order the tools that I've been using in my repairs. So let's start removing the back cover, removing all the screws on the phone, and then there's a metal cover. You need to pry it using the prying tool. Just be careful, you might damage the volume and power button, so be careful in prying the back cover. So once the middle cover is removed, you should have access to the battery, the flex cables, the speaker, etc. So I ordered LCD online, and before you attach it to the phone, make sure to test it. I suggest to take a video just in case the new LCD doesn't work. You can still return it to the supplier and show the video to your supplier. Better take a video before attaching it to the cell phone. So basically, I just attach the flex cable to the phone and then turn on the phone. Display is working here, but we need to get inside to the so we need to test the touch before attaching it to the. Now I verified that touch is working, display is working. We can now assemble the phone. So first thing that we'll need to do is remove the battery. This will be applying a lot of heat on the screen or on the broken screen. So remove the battery first. We don't want to damage the battery. Just need to remove the flex cable and the loudspeaker and the charging board. So we have access to the flex cable of the LCD. We are now removing the sensor. That's the fingerprint sensor for this model. And there's a rubber with that flex cable, LCD flex cable. You need to remove it and keep it because we're gonna put it back once we attach the new LCD. applying heat, we can remove the broken LCD. So there's a speaker cover. We'll need to attach it to the new LCD. Don't forget to clean the edges, remove the old glue, because we'll be applying new glue to the frame. Apply the new glue, just give like 20 seconds before attaching the actual or the new LCD, and then let it dry for an hour. After an hour, you can assemble the phone. And don't forget to put glue on the battery so that it's gonna hold the battery. And that's basically it. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and you can also put your comments down below. It should be easy. The tools that I've been using is on the description, so you can order it. And that's it for this video. Let's go.